Perlite is a kind of acid lava from volcanic eruption. It is a glassy rock formed by rapid cooling. It is named for its pearl fissure structure. The power of the perlite pressure ball host comes from the electromagnetic speed regulating motor, which is transmitted to the drive shaft through the roller and the cylindrical gear reducer through the rod pin coupling. The movable shaft and the forced shaft run synchronously through the open gear. A hydraulic device is installed behind the forced bearing seat. Spiral feeder is driven by electromagnetic speed regulating motor through the worm gear R. Pressed material into the main feed port. In the spiral feeder, due to the constant feeding pressure of the electromagnetic speed regulating motor, the constant feeding pressure can be maintained under the condition that the feeding amount is equal to the material required by the host machine, so that the pellet quality is stable.